Understanding, I was out of touch. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, I was out of touch. Stick around to find out what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you master it. When someone says, I was out of touch, they're expressing that they were not in contact or not communicating with others for a period. This can refer to not keeping up with friends or family, or it could mean being unaware of current events, trends, or information. It's a versatile phrase that captures a sense of disconnection or lack of awareness. Personal relationships. In the context of personal relationships, saying, I was out of touch, can be a way to apologize or explain why you haven't been in contact with someone. For example, I'm sorry I missed your birthday party. I was really out of touch last month. Professional settings. In professional settings, this phrase can refer to a lack of awareness about industry trends or company news. I was out of touch with the latest marketing strategies, but I'm catching up now. General awareness. Sometimes, I was out of touch is used to admit a lack of knowledge about current events or cultural trends. I was out of touch with the news while I was on vacation. 1. After moving to a new city, I was out of touch with my old friends for a while. 2. He admitted he was out of touch with modern technology, making it hard to find a new job. 3. I've been out of touch with the music scene lately. What's new? Don't confuse out of touch with being physically absent from a place. It's about communication or awareness, not location. Remember, out of touch can have a negative connotation, implying negligence or ignorance, so use it carefully depending on the context. There you have it. I was out of touch is a useful phrase for expressing a lack of communication or awareness in a variety of situations. Whether you're talking about personal relationships, professional developments, or general knowledge, it's a phrase that can add depth to your communication. We hope this video helps you feel more in touch with English expressions and phrases. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.